Hey, what's up guys, it's me Inventor, and as you can see I'm walking to Alex's birthday party. Also, as you can see, my arm heals. I got a bracelet already. I have to wear it for about like 2 weeks, so yeah. Okay guys, I came to the school.
Yo, you guys, and no one's in the video.
Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Inventor, and today it's Alex's birthday party.
And I am invited.
Yeah, and there's actually
And then
a bunch
everyone here is invited too.
Alex is gonna turn how old is he?
13. I'm 13. No, he's
Yeah.
turning 11, guys.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Alex.
and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay.
Listen to him. No, Jonathan, go kill him. You're so bad, dude.
I'm trying, man.
You're so
Fortnite on YouTube live stream.
Stop! This is embarrassing. I'm so bad at Fortnite.
Guys, he's bad at Fortnite. If we get 20 likes, then he's gonna get good at Fortnite. Guys, we got to the place. Look, there's a go-kart over there. I don't know if you can see them. Guys, look at this.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Alex, you said we have to.
Wait, is it for us?
Happy birthday! Can you have a
Happy birthday, Alex. Guys, look at this weird liquid. Look at
He is a ticket stealer.
Okay.
Alright, guys, on camera, let's sing happy birthday.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
Even though we messed up the song.
Okay guys, so we got these weird things. It's a card where you go to any random attraction and then you play it, and this card is all day. You just play randomly. That's really cool.
3 in a row gets the streak bonus. How many streak bonuses can you get? Ready, go! Go! Game over. Green streak tally.
Okay guys, so I scored some points. What is happening?
We're gonna go to the go-kart.
2 hours later.
You get the steam, you get some points, and then you can buy some stuff from here. So yeah, like all this stuff. bought some tickets and I spent them for $4,000. Yeah, I got $4,000.
It's fake money, by the way.
Yeah, it's fake money, guys. And it was fun. Now it's lunch. Yeah, now it's lunch and we have some pizza. And then we're probably gonna go on bumper boats.
Okay, so how do you do it?
It's already on. It's already on.
So we were all on the bumper boats and we got wet. Especially Alex.
Sure. Okay, guys, we're going to the go-karts. Ready?
Hi, this is our last attraction of the day. We're
Yeah.
ending off in go-karts.
Exit your car or
Yes.
unbuckle your seatbelt and tail the pedal on the right. To stop, press the brake pedal on the left. Misconduct or failure to obey rules or instructions
Wow.
will result non-responsible for the actions of other drivers. Please be aware that this is for the actions of other drivers. Please be aware that this ride may have an inherent risk of potential injury and that you're participating at your own risk. Thank you for coming to Boomers and have a great race. Welcome to Boomers Thunder Road. For your safety and enjoyment, please listen carefully and obey the following rules. Drivers must be at least 58 inches tall. Passengers must be at least 40 inches tall. Anyone under the influence of drugs or alcohol is not allowed in the track area. Expected mothers or guests with back, neck, or health problems should not ride. Riders only in track area. Shoes and shirts are required.
Are you planning on filming the race?
Yeah.
I'll ask one of my guys and see if that's okay, alright?
Okay.
Hey, is that for YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, say that to me, alright?
Under the influence of drugs or alcohol is not allowed in the track area. Expected mothers or guests with back, neck, or health problems should not ride. Riders only in track area. Shoes and shirts are required. No drinking allowed in the track area. Riders must obey all track attendance instructions. No
Guys, here we go!
We'll take a piece of the world. We'll take a piece of the world. We'll take a piece of the world.
Oh my god!
A piece of the world down with us. We'll take a piece of the world. A piece of the world down with us. We'll take a piece of the world. A piece of the world down with us. Break me off a piece of that.
Wait, can you put the gas more? No, like everyone's still looking for everyone. Guys, this is so cool.
misconduct or failure to obey rules or
Place where I was seeing.
Shotgun guys.
Sit in the back with me. Yeah, let's go in the back. Get me I'll be in the middle. Then I'll be
I'm shotgun.
I'll be here. I'll be here.
Guys, this was cool, but like the one of the persons said to put away the camera, so
Some person was like, okay, I don't care, you can have it. Just don't get in trouble. Like one of them actually like people, but then so they got caught.
so yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to my home right now. It was a great birthday party. I didn't do a lot of filming over there because people like didn't like that, or it was way too dark. But it was still a great party though. And yeah, that's basically it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.